Want to stay ahead in the coding world? Check out these must-learn languages for 2025. First up, Python. It's easy to learn, versatile and perfect for web development, AI and more. Next, JavaScript, the backbone of web development. If you're into creating dynamic websites and apps, this one's for you. Don't forget about TypeScript. It's JavaScript's smarter sibling, making your code more reliable and easier to manage. Now on to Rust, the rising star known for its performance and safety. Ideal for system-level programming and creating fast, secure applications. Lastly, Swift. If you're dreaming of developing iOS apps, Swift is your go-to language. With its clean syntax and powerful features, you'll be crafting amazing apps in no time. So there you have it. Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Rust, and Swift. Your toolkit for coding success in 2025. Happy coding?